and proud ourselves that we are living where in world they are asking Indian students to work on their field. They are giving priority to Indian students to work on their field, not to another country.
There is a catch on
If
that.
you see Google,
There is a catch. They are only asking the cream of Indian population that are very intelligent from IIT, IIM. They're not asking everyone. They didn't ask me
Oh
to
yes.
join their
oh,
country. They
no, no,
didn't
no,
give me the
you
citizenship.
tell me one thing. That these person all are from IIT and from IIM from these colleges. No, they are not from all
Oh,
that. How much students
Sundar Pichai is from
are
IIT. Satya Nadella is from IIM. The top are from these
yes.
IITs,
And
IIMs.
what about the scientists? What about the scientists who are working in American? What about the Indian American who are doctors are there?
So that is
Go and
because
check
of
the
a lack
news.
of resources
Ma'am,
here.
actually only 1% upper part who
Yes, ma'am.
called
They take only
genius.
cream part.
They take only cream of
The
India.
most prudent students, the most studious or the most prudent students. Yes, we do agree upon that, right?
In
And we
our
talk
Okay.
about
country
the
also,
whole population, no?
right now they are working in ISRO and
Rest of
all sector
99%,
DRDO.
what about that?
Yes.
Ma'am,
I think I
what
should.
about
I
Indian?
think what should I do right now? I guess you people are so fulfilled with the confessions that I should leave this class and let you all just argue on this point. So I think it would be the best part. But moving on to something so important, I had two activities, but the time is about to up. So I would like to just sum up what all has been done today. Why, of course, Mansi's question will also be answered here. That why this evaluation class was taken. So all the questions after listening you all, I would like to go in a hierarchical order. Like what, how did you start, then what happened, just a common point I would like to tell all of you. First thing, that whenever we talk to a stranger or to an unknown person, definitely we feel like that we are not comfortable or we fumble. The voice, the words get fumbled. That was seen in almost all of you. I won't pick out the names. It won't be good. But yes, I would like to mention that most of you were fumbling because you were talking to an unknown person. But later on, when you got comfortable, you were the best personality came out of you. Am I right? Do you people agree? So that fumbleness,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
lack of confidence automatically got diminished. This is the reason I wanted to take your evaluation class. And it is not just for now, it will be taken numerous times. And this is, of course, as Mansi said, as Mansi asked the question, this is not just an evaluation class. This is something I wanted to make you learn. That whenever you're meeting to a stranger, in the starting, do not feel uncomfortable. Why? Because sometimes we'll come across with a situation where it just directly need to ask something, right? So what if you're just going to be fumble or you would be really anxious in the first sentence only? No. Validate your points. Okay, even if you're what I have observed, the second thing was you people were keeping on your points, but validation of your points was somewhere you people were getting nervous. Let us not do that. Okay. Other points will be, of course, discussed separately, not all together in the class. Okay. Otherwise, you won't be able to understand that where you need to improve properly. So all the points and reviews are already written in front of me, but they're just written very roughly. So I'll be marking it up properly. Besides this, there was one more activity that was based upon story. Okay, I think we won't be able to do right now, definitely, because time is about to up. But just take it as a home task that you all of you need to frame two stories now. As it is a home task, so you can frame two stories. Do not write it down because writing the points, writing the stories, writing the paragraphs, or whatever the content you are writing is assisting you a lot in speaking. So please do not do it. Just imagine it. Just think over it that you have witnessed something, you are witnessing something, or you were there in front of that particular thing, whatever was happening. Then only you will be able to express yourself when it comes to the story narration. Otherwise, trust me, you won't be able to get improve in the story narration part. Okay. Besides this, excellent, all of you have done really marvelous job because I was not expecting the way you people have exhibited yourself. Okay. and kudos, accolade. Pat yourselves today. Okay, you have done really very well. Very good job. One more point I wanted to discuss. I might have forgotten. Yeah, as I have said that do not focus upon grammar much, but I must say that if people have focused and if your grammar was really better than the other days, it is for all of you, not just for one or two. Okay, fine. I'll be sharing that image, or I think it is already shared. Shared that moral of the story is taken. The moral of the story is right in front of you. You have to frame the story. Any questions? Any doubts related to today's class or in common? We
I
help it
have,
out. Yes, yes, Taran.
like, not from today's class.
Okay.
So I was structuring a sentence. Well,
Please.
will ask ma'am. Well, will ask ma'am.
Well, okay,
Will
well,
ask
comma,
ma'am.
will ask ma'am.
Okay. So
Right.
should I inculcate I with will? I will ask ma'am, or will ask ma'am is right?
Uh, Repeat that question in the last sentence. Should I inculcate?
Should I include
Inculcate.
I? I will.
Include.
I
I
include.
wanted to ask. Huh?
I will ask ma'am or will ask ma'am.
That is also right. Will ask ma'am. Because, okay, let me tell you the difference between the both basically. Tarun. When you are including I, you are being more specific. You are trying to explain the listener that what exactly your question is. Otherwise, you might be thinking that the listener is intelligent enough to understand you. So you're not going to include I. It is as simple as that case. Okay. So do not get worried upon that. Okay. Any other questions?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No,
So there
ma'am.
was, and
Yes.
then
Yes.
I was saying adding a suggestion. So I thought of that. So they're
Huh.
proposing a suggestion. I was came up to that,
Proposing a
suggestion, but you can add another
numerous.
thing.
Right, right, right. Moreover, besides, I would like to mention that. So, besides who kya ke alawa, that also can be used. Okay.
Okay.
Bye, all of you. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining because I was not expecting that everyone is going to join. So, thank you so much, all of you. Okay. Bye. Take care. We'll meet
Thank you,
tomorrow.
sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
You're
Bye,
welcome.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Bye.